So you're saying you will give the prosecution powers?
I'm not authority. I'm only saying that what I read from the newspaper and media, that they are considering giving supervisory and administrative powers to the Lokpal as it is there in the state locals.
And the prosecution powers as well.
That I think there is no problem on that, because prosecution is something different. But investigation cannot be given to any authority.
Fundamental demand for Team Anna. So what you're saying is,
Team Anna, I don't know why you are so enamored by Team Anna. There is a very fine draft prepared by Aruna Roy. Why aren't you
are you then saying that the Congress has reconciled itself, that Anna Hazare will fast from the 27th of December and there will be another confrontation?
It's a free country, Rahul. Everyone is free to do whatever he wants to. But then the country must understand the nuances of a Lokpal. I would like you to interview Mr. Anna Hazare on the provisions of Lokpal, on the clauses of Lokpal, and I am sure you will know the fact.
So are you suggesting that he doesn't understand the finer nuances of the Lokpal bill?
I am only giving you a suggestion, Rahul. It will be a very interesting idea. It will be a very interesting idea.
To illustrate the fact that you think he doesn't know about the Lokpal bill.
It will be a very interesting idea for you to interview Mr. Anna Hazare clause by clause on the nuances of governance and Lokpal.
Because you make it seem as if he's a puppet being controlled from the strings in the backside.
Well, I have already said that I've got the greatest regard for Anna Hazare, but he's totally playing into the hands of self-serving, ambitious people around him.
No, because if the investigation wing of the CBI is not handed over to the Lokpal,
it cannot be.
Then what we will see is that Anna Hazare and his team will campaign in 5 states. Are you concerned about the impact this will have on your prospects in Uttar Pradesh?
Not at all concerned. We'll welcome them to campaign. They are free to join a political party and face this reality that they are totally targeting Congress party from day one. Why are they not speaking against BJP corruption? Mr. Anna Hazare goes to Karnataka, doesn't say a word against the BJP. He goes to Chennai, doesn't speak about any political party there, but he's targeting Congress party. He wants to do dharna before Sonia Gandhiji's house or Rahul Gandhiji's house, and at the same time wants to campaign against Congress party in Uttar Pradesh or wherever he wants to. He's most welcome to do it.